All right, got a new toy from Harbor Freight. Got one of these tumblers they're calling a vibratory bowl. And we got some media, got some simple green to mix in with it. All right, so I got another batch of bolts soaking in the evaporust. They were in there about 24 hours. Dropped it in there yesterday. They look pretty good. And I'm gonna rinse it and throw it in the tumbler and we'll see how they come out. So there's post evaporust. You still see we got some surface rust and some paint on some of the bolts. So throw this in the tumbler, see what it looks like afterwards. To show you what it looks like, what it's doing on the inside here. Actually threw these in at the end of the day last night and it's been running all night long. So this batch of bolts, I didn't do any wire wheeling. I just pulled them out of the evaporust, threw them in here, and we'll see what they look like. That looks pretty good. Yeah, this stuff came out nice. Very happy with that. All right, cool. I think I got enough pieces to put the bumper back together. Well, apparently I didn't have the camera on, so that's the first coat. And let it dry and then flip everything over and then paint the other side.